Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to find the area of a circle using function in Python programmer. And we are going to ask the user to provide us with the radius of the circle so that we can use it to calculate the area of the circle. So we start by defining a variable known as radius, which is equals to int. By default, the value that the user will provide to us will be a string, so we need to convert it into an integer. So that's what we are doing with the int function. Int input, enter the radius of the circle. Then we are going to use this radius to calculate the area of the circle. But we need the pi to calculate the area of the circle. So from the math module, we are going to import the pi. So from math, import pi. Next, we need to define the function that we are going to use to calculate the area of this circle. So def area log circle. This is the function that we are going to use to calculate the area of the circle. Then to calculate the formula for calculating the area of circle is given as pi r squared. This is what we are going to return here. So return pi radius raised to the power of 2. This is r squared. Then we need to call the function area of the circle so that it can learn. But because we want to use this area in the next line of code, so we can store it in a variable known as area, which we are going to area equals to. Then we can print the output. Print area. This is going to give us the area of the circle. Then we can save the program and run it. So the program is asking us to provide the radius of the circle. We can have a radius of 10 centimeters. Our area will be this one. Now we can learn the program once again to try for a different values. So our radius in this case can be 8 centimeters, and our area for that circle will be this one. So thank you for watching, and please remember to like the video and to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.